To reset the Semrush social media toolkit, you first need to log in to your Semrush account and navigate to the Social Media Toolkit section. This is typically found under the Projects tab, where you can manage all your social media accounts and track their performance. Once you are in the Social Media Toolkit section, you will see a list of all your connected social media profiles, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. To reset the toolkit, you need to disconnect and reconnect each of these profiles. Start by clicking on the Disconnect button next to each profile, and then confirm that you want to disconnect the account. This will remove all the social media data from your Semrush account, and you will no longer be able to track your social media performance. After disconnecting all your social media profiles, go back to the Social Media Toolkit section and click on the Connect button next to each profile. You will be redirected to the social media platform, where you need to authorize Semrush to access your account. Once you have reconnected all your social media profiles, Semrush will start tracking your social media performance again, and you will be able to see your social media data in the Social Media Toolkit section. It is recommended to reset the Semrush Social Media Toolkit every few months to ensure that your social media data is accurate and up to date. This will also help you to identify any issues with your social media accounts and fix them before they affect your online presence. By following these steps, you can easily reset the Semrush Social Media Toolkit and get the most out of your social media marketing efforts. Remember to always keep your social media data organized and up to date, and use the Social Media Toolkit to track your performance and make data-driven decisions. Resetting the Semrush Social Media Toolkit is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes, and it will help you to optimize your social media marketing strategy and improve your online presence.